Hello, welcome viewers of G Krish TV to the part 2 of my visit to the Hershey Chocolate Model Factory in Pennsylvania, USA. I request viewers of G Krish TV to join in this sweet journey inside the sweetest place on earth, Pennsylvania Hershey's Chocolate Factory. அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். ஜி கிறிஸ் டிவி நேயர்களே, இக்காணொலியில் வட அமெரிக்காவில் பென்சில்வேனியாவில் உலகின் மிக பிரபலமான எர்ஷ் சாக்லேட் நிறுவனத்தின் மாதிரி தொழிற்சாலையில் சாக்லேட் தயாரிப்பு முறைகள் பற்றிய காணொலியை காண்போம். வாரீர். நன்றி. ஜி கிருஷ்ணன், ஜி கிறிஸ் டிவி. This episode is about the demonstration of how the world famous Hershey chocolates are made in their factory, from bean blending, roasting, adding milk, sugar, followed by other processes like milk evaporation, drying, mixing, tempering, till they are packaged and shipped to the desired destinations. I request viewers of G Krish TV to join in this sweet journey inside the sweetest place on earth, Pennsylvania Hershey's Chocolate Factory.
Hi, my name is Alex. I'm a quality supervisor here at the Hershey Chocolate Factory. I was asked to be your guide today, and I can't wait to show you around. Everyone ready? Let's go. It all starts with cocoa beans, which are harvested and shipped to us from tropical regions around the world. We send the cocoa beans through large cleaning machines that screen and thoroughly remove unwanted parts like pulp and bits of cacao pod. Our cocoa experts carefully select, sort, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts to achieve that unique and consistent Hershey's flavor.
Hey everyone! Below me are milling machines which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder, known as Hershey's Cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we'll use later on in the process. Every day, shining tanker trucks pick up milk from local farms and line up outside our factory for delivery. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinctive taste. Part of my job is to make sure all of that milk meets our high quality standards. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. Now to unsweetened chocolate. This is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious little pieces that we call chocolate crumbs.
Amazing how a little developing the rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers smooth out the refined crumb until it reaches the silky liquid texture of milk chocolate. Bye for now.
After conching, we temper the milk chocolate, heating and cooling it to just the right texture and consistency. During tempering, we can mix in other ingredients such as roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a bumpy conveyor ride. Then we send the molds through cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate.
Hey, don't forget about Reese's peanut butter cups. My personal favorite.
Aw, thanks, Alex. That's so
Looks like our packages are ready to go, and I better get going too. It's been a privilege being your guide today. Remember that wherever you go, you're never far from a piece of Hershey's happiness. So be sure to share that goodness with the ones you love. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
right here for a picture. 3, 2, 1.
Now, everybody say Hershey.
Time to go share some goodness.
Well, now you know the hard work, pride, and joy that goes into making every piece of Hershey's goodness.
Come visit us again soon.
Please remain seated until the door opens and watch your step onto the moving platform. And enjoy the rest of your day here at Hershey's Chocolate World. So long, everyone.
Thanks for coming!
Bye-bye.
நீ தான் என்ன பண்ண இந்த aggressive.
I think